Hello, welcome to the Nice Try Tank sewing workshop. My name is Isabel and I am the designer behind Izzie, formerly known as Forest and Thread. My background from my education and from my time working in the industry plays a huge role in how I approach writing my sewing patterns as well as how I approach teaching people to sew my sewing patterns. This fabric is also perfect for the body as well as the binding. So this is a woolly nylon thread, and you can see that it's kind of fuzzy, but then when you stretch it out, because if it's too tight, it's just going to snap up every time you lift your arm in between the two horizontal straps. And I am sewing on the body side, not the binding. That's what will cut off of the strap. So you can see here it's fitting nice and smoothly around the arm, and the back is lying nice and flat as well.